In preparation to go out in the snow, part 2. Again. Let's see what happens next. Da da da. You see her putting on her shoes and screaming and attacking and violence. It's amazing. You see that form?
Dude, I'm seriously going to do a fucking dive into the snow.
Do it.
Get all up in your face. Oh shit, that's cold. Oh my god. Want to go back?
That was the end of part 2. They didn't learn their lesson the first time, nor the second.
Oh my god.
Retards opening a door.